Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm doing well. What can I do for you?
I've got a dent. I wanted to see if you guys could take a look at it today.
Absolutely. Let's take a look.
Cool.
So that's it, huh?
That's it.
Okay, so what happened?
I have no idea. I came out of the store and it was there.
They always seem to find you, don't they?
Yeah.
Did you get a body shop estimate by chance?
I did.
You did? How much was it?
It was over $1,000.
All right, I think we can save you some money in that department. I think our price for this would be right around $100.
Wow.
We can buff that little white mark off, and make it look like that was never there.
Great.
Okay. But you want to get this done today?
That would be awesome.
All right, cool. It'll take right about an hour to do. Can I have your keys?
Sure.
Thank you, and then we'll get you right in. All right?
Okay, sounds
All right,
good.
come on.
Thank you.
Finished up?
Wow, this looks great. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you getting it done so quick.
You're very, very welcome. I'm glad we could help you out.
The body shop was trying to keep it like a week, and you guys got it done in an hour. And I didn't even have to call insurance.
That's right. That's right. Thank you so very much.